Come on, Cassie.
All right, we're going around the table.
Maybe I should be in the middle. Oh, snap.
There you go.
That's what I meant.
It's about to get serious. Chair's about to go flying. And they're all still in one.
Lindsay broke her back, but she got her spoon.
Oh no, I got it. I'm sorry.
Christina threw her spoon at somebody.
This is
Christina was like this. How much spoon?
Oh God.
You don't understand that? My card fell on the floor and I'm trying to get it and I see the spoons flying.
I'm sorry. You all right? You all right? I had to get all that on videotape, but